Meaning of goad.
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 Goad. The word goad can be used as a noun or a verb. As a noun, it refers to a pointed stick used to prod animals, or a stimulus that incites or encourages action or development. As a verb, it means to provoke or urge someone to take action, often by using irritating or persistent tactics. Goad can be used positively to motivate people, for example, to complete a task or reach a goal. However, it can also have negative connotations, implying pressure or manipulation. Overall, goad refers to a force that stimulates or drives action, whether for good or bad.